Welcome everyone. Here is how to make Gmail accounts in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First of all, let's start by opening up our settings. Then I want you to scroll all the way down, and what you're looking for is the accounts and backup option. So confusingly, you don't choose Google, instead choose accounts and backup option. Then I want you to select Manage Accounts at the very top. Then you're going to choose Add Account right here. Once we've done this, you're going to choose the Google option. Once we've done this, you can enter in your login and it will bring you to the Google page. So I'm just going to skip. We're looking for this Google page right here. It's asking us to sign in, but you will notice the Create Account button. We're going to tap on this one to create a new Google account. Now, Google account, not to be confused, it will create a @gmail.com email address. So Google, Gmail is all part of the same thing. Gmail is short for Google Mail. So you would fill in this form. It will give you the option to create your own @gmail.com email address, and then you can use that to sign in to your accounts at any time. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.